Ever made a perfect video only to be ruined by unwanted noise from your background? But what if I told you there is a simple way to fix that problem with just a few clicks? Hi, I'm Ezigbo Ijoma. In this channel, I make tutorial videos on productivity softwares and other non-coding tech skills. In this video, we'll be tackling one of the most common issues in video creation, background noise. Let's dive in. To remove background noise from your video, the first thing you do is to open your Capcut app. Next, click on Add Project. Then select the video you want to use. Hi guys. You will notice my background was noisy. So to clean up this background noise, I'll duplicate this video so that when I do, I will make corrections on one so that when I'm finally done, you will notice the difference. I'll highlight my video, click on duplicate. On the first video that you want to clean up the background noise, look for isolate voice. Click on isolate voice. Then keep vocal. After I'm done doing that, I'll click on reduce noise. Toggle it on. Hi guys. Then on enhance voice. Toggle it on also and allow it to load. Then noise cleanup. Adjust the volume of your video. Let's see the outcome. Hi guys. The edited video. The original video. Hi guys. Did you notice the difference? In my next video, I'm going to show you how to download this video so you'll be able to post it. Since enhanced voice is a pro feature, if you want to download it, you will not be able to do that because it's a pro feature. So in my next video, I will show you how I use these pro features to edit my videos and yet be able to post them. So stick around.